This time we're supposed to find the amplitude and the period of each waveform and sketch its graph through at least 2 cycles. Remember that this value is my peak value. So this is my voltage peak. This is my omega. This is my angular velocity. Remember that omega is equal to 2 pi over t. If I want to find the period is nothing else, just t equals 2 pi over omega. This is period of this wave. Because I do not have any numerical value, I'm going to leave t equals 2 pi over omega. Because this is cosine wave, I'm going to start drawing my wave from the maximum value. This is one cycle. This is the second cycle. This is 0. And my period, remember, is the time required to finish one full cycle, is equal, in this case, 2 pi over omega. We calculate this over here. And my peak value is 3 volts. This is my voltage expressed in volts. And this is going to be minus 3 volts. And this is the time, which is expressed in seconds. So my period is the time required to finish one full cycle. This is my period. This is the solution to first problem. Let's take a look at another example. We have 4 sine omega t. Again, my current peak, I peak, is equal 4. My omega is equal 2 pi over period. Period is equal 2 pi over omega. Next, I'm supposed to draw this wave. Sine wave always starts from 0. One cycle, 2 cycles. The peak value, this time we are talking about the current, so I have 4. Current is measured in amps. This is my peak value, and my period, so over here, t equals 2 pi over omega. This is my 0. This is my negative peak, minus 4 amps. And this is my time expressed in seconds. This is the solution to the second problem.